Hello there everyone. I'm just doing a question out. It's a proof for trigonometry. Okay, so it kind of involves a double angle formulas and I'm going to explain how this is done. So a question like this, you start off, you've got tan 3 theta. Now in this current guise or in this format it can't be solved, so you have to rewrite it. So you start off by rewriting it as follows. That tan 3 theta can be written as tan 2 theta plus theta. And the reason I wrote it like that is as follows, because if you look at the following here, so if you've got tan A plus B, so in this case here, A will be 2 theta and B will be theta. So then you're going to have tan 2 theta plus tan theta, 1 minus tan 2 theta, tan theta. Okay, so a bit of a mouthful there, but that's kind of where we're going with this. So I just want to, so we write this out then as follows. So that can then be written as tan 2 theta plus tan theta, and that's all over 1 minus tan 2 theta tan theta. Okay, so our next step then is we're going to do the following. Okay, so I can see here I have following tan 2 theta written here and here. But if I again look here, tan 2 theta is 2 tan theta, or tan A, 1 minus tan squared theta. So that's what I'm going to fill in for them. So I'm replacing that with that. Okay? So then that allows me to write, so instead of tan 2 theta, I can say that that's 2 tan theta all over 1 minus tan squared theta. Okay, plus tan theta, and that's going to be all over 1 minus 2 tan theta over 1 minus tan squared theta times tan theta. So in effect what I've done is I've taken this tan theta here and replaced it with that, and taken that there and replaced it with that. Okay, to leave me with my next line. So the next part of what I'm going to do is as follows. So now I'm going to cross multiply to get everything nice, and the reason I'm doing that is if I cross multiply, I have 1 minus tan squared theta below the line, above the line and below the line. So you'll see now, and then they cancel. So if I take my top line, so that can be written as 2 tan theta plus 1 minus tan squared theta times tan theta, and all that's all over 1 minus tan squared theta. So that's the top line done. That's that section done. Okay, now I have to do the same for this here. So that's going to be all over, let's go down a little bit more. So 1 times 1 minus tan squared theta is 1 minus tan squared theta. And then what I'm going to have is minus 2 tan theta times tan theta. And that's all over 1 minus tan squared theta. So now that's after working out really nicely for me because they can cancel. Okay, and that leaves me then to multiply the following out. So if I multiply these out, so I have 2 tan theta. Now 1 times tan theta is plus 1 tan theta, or tan theta, minus tan cubed theta. And below the line I've got 1 minus tan squared theta minus 2 tan squared theta. Minus 2 tan squared theta. Okay, and just to finish that off then, that can be written as, so 2 tan theta plus tan theta is 3 tan theta, minus tan cubed theta. And you've got 1 minus tan squared theta minus 2 tan squared theta, which is 1 minus 3 tan squared theta. And if you look 3 tan theta minus tan cubed theta, 1 minus 3 tan squared theta, 3 tan theta minus tan cubed theta, 1 minus 3 tan squared theta. So that is, again, on the difficulty scale, it's quite high. But, and the trick is because there's a kind of a cup, you're using two of the form, you have to change two things. So first of all, you have to change the tan 3 theta into this here. Then you have to write that using your using one formula, the tan A plus B. And then you have to do the tan 2 theta, double angle formula. Okay, to allow you to write that like that. I hope that makes sense. If there's any questions on it, guys, you can email me at my usual address. Thank you.